What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this one we're going to be going over the best 10 Amazon products of the week. So let's begin with the video now. So welcome to Search Tech. Our mission is to help you get the most out of your tech through reviews and tutorials. If that's something you're interested in, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell to get notified when we release a new video. And there's going to be useful links below in the description covering everything that we discuss in this video. With that being said, let's get right into it. So first up, we're going to have the mini drone from Lightbox. So the first item on the list will be Lightbox mini drone. It's a mini fold drone with high definition aerial photography, and it returns to you with the power of just one button. It also has a 360-degree roll and gravity control as well. You can easily connect it to your device without using the phone data, and the advanced signal transmission technology makes the image transmission high definition stable. It does not have any delays, which makes it capture better scenery, and if you want a drone at a good price for a nice footage, I think this will be the one for you. Next up, we're gonna have the Hokoto Cleaner Kit for AirPods. So this is a 3-in-1 cleaner kit with flocking sponge, soft brush, and a metal pen. It is super easy to clean the dust or stubborn dirt and make your headphones like new. The Hokoto cleaning pen made with easy up and down button makes it easy when you want to switch clean tools. You just have to push gently the button to clean your devices, and also is not only a cleaning pair for headphones, it can also clean your computer, keyboard, phone, camera, and even more devices. If you have a lot of them, this portable cleaning pen will be your good partner, and it's also very portable since it has a pocket size and doesn't take much space. If you want to know more about this product, you can always go back to one of our videos where we review this product. Then we're gonna have the electric screwdriver. So the perfect cordless electric screwdriver for everyday needs and DIY projects. It is good for tight spaces and has an ergonomic design. This power screwdriver style allows easy grip and handling with its finger trigger. As far as the battery goes, it has a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that keeps this tool charged over an extended period of time. And you can always power up your screwdriver anywhere with micro USB charging as well. Then we're gonna have the automatic magnetic steering cup. So this is a stainless steel mug that steers your coffee, milkshake, and milk for you. It includes a water cup brush, and the blender needs 2 batteries to work properly. The magnetized cup function drink magnetized water can help nutrition absorption, improve gastrointestinal function, promote body metabolism, improve immunity, and improve high blood pressure. It is also suitable for various occasions like family, travel, office, business, picnic, and more. It can also be used as a perfect holiday gift. Then we're gonna have My Cinema Lightbox, and the Retro Cinema inspired LED message board is the ideal medium to convey your motivational quote, express your feelings, or simply a beautiful addition as light up signs for bedrooms or maybe an office. The LED letter lights decor comes with 3 modes to present your message box in the best light. You're gonna have the classic white, you're gonna have RGB color changing, and RGB color of your choice. You can always adjust the LED marquee letters depending on your mood and choose your favorite color. Easily attach the LED letter light to the wall or just place it at your desk like you're seeing right now on the video. We're also gonna have the Fire TV Stick 4K, and the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K is the 3rd version of Amazon's popular streaming device. The biggest difference between this stick and the ones that came before it is that this one has been updated to support 4K viewing. The Amazon Fire TV Stick also comes with Amazon's Alexa built-in voice assistant, and there is a huge range of content to select from that many apps on offer, for example Amazon Prime, Netflix, and many more, with a lot of streaming options on offer. So at this point, honestly, who needs cable if you can just buy the Fire TV Stick? Then we're gonna have the Echo Dot 4th Gen, and this is one if not the most popular smart speaker with Alexa. This sleek compact design delivers crisp vocals and balanced bass for full sound. You can stream songs from Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, SiriusXM, and others. You can play music, audiobooks, and podcasts throughout your home with multi-room music, and you can also control your smart home devices through this speaker as well. Then on spot number 8, we're going to have the HP 27-inch QHD Gaming Monitor. One of the main reasons that make this a great monitor for gaming is the iSafe certified display that meets the TUV low blue light requirements and iSafe standards for protecting your eyes from harmful blue light without distorting the colors. You can adjust your screen height for comfortable viewing with pivot and tilt capabilities, and you can easily get lost in the captivating definition and ultra-sharp details of 3.7 million pixels. The 2560 by 1440 resolution transforms all of your content for a remarkable entertainment experience. Then we're gonna have the majority Bofel soundbar, and this item has a slim design that is ideal for any desktop space, especially for a student dorm. Even though it's small, it is mighty. The Bofel is equipped with a built-in subwoofer delivering outstanding cinematic sounds. The Bofel boasts a wide range of connectivity options including Bluetooth, USB input, optical input, RCA, and on the aux port as well. And of course is compatible with TV, phone, and PC too. Then lastly, we're going to have the emergency weather radio, and Foss Power's emergency radio incorporates a 2000 mAh power bank capable of providing emergency power to any small tablet or phone. Use the emergency weather radio's 3 power sources when you need a boost of power or need to recharge the radio. The radio's crank lever and solar panel are both capable of regenerating enough power to keep the radio on, the lights, and the SOS alarm ready to go when you need it the most. I believe this is a very useful device, especially if you live in a state where you could get hit by a hurricane and be left without any electricity. The radio will dependably receive up to the second emergency weather forecast and emergency news broadcast from the NOAA and AM/FM stations. Alright everyone, so that was it for today's video. If you got some valuable information out of it, please don't forget to give it a like and also leave a comment down below on what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications every time we post a new video. And as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one.